Officials with the Chippewa Cree Tribe are slowly digging after being buried by snow earlier this week. The Montana Department of Transportation brought equipment to clear the roads. Crews are digging those with medical needs out first, so they're able to get to appointments and get appropriate treatment. Hill County Electric was able to get the power restored to all but around 10 homes. Residents are asked to be patient because it is slow for crews to get through the heavy, wet snow.
I'm hoping by tomorrow afternoon we'll have all the major arteries opened up and a lot of the villages, thoroughfares will be open. Then we'll start working on the individual homes that are off the main highways, you know, quarter mile and stuff. Those guys that are drifted in, we'll start getting them out. But I'm hoping by late tomorrow afternoon and Friday we'll be somewhat back to normal operations.
White says as the snow starts to melt, they'll prepare for potential impacts.